This video is sponsored by Lingoda. If you're looking for online German lessons with native speakers, you need to check out Lingoda. Their lessons are available any day of the week, any time of the day. Click the link in the description and get started learning German with Lingoda today. If at any time you get bored with the pronunciation and spelling tips I'm about to give you, you can always skip ahead to the skit at the end of the video via the link in the description. We're going to start off with the pronunciation of the German alphabet. First one, of course, is ah. Ah. This is what you say to your doctor when he tells you to open wide. Ah. Next up, B. B. This is like the incredibly dumb English slang word bay, but instead of ending with the Y sound where your mouth kind of goes up at the end, you keep your mouth straight as it was at the beginning of the sound. B. B. C. C. Like say, but again without that Y sound at the end of it again. C. C. TS sound at the beginning, and then C. 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 D. 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 Like day, but again, you guessed it, no Y sound at the end. D. D. A. A. Like the previous three letters, but this time without the consonant in front. A. A. F. F. It's literally the exact same as the English letter F. F. G. G. This is where it becomes slightly more important that you don't pronounce the letter Y at the end of the letter. G. G. Ha. Ha. This is the sound that some of you made when I said the last letter. Ha. Ha. E. E. It sounds like the English long E sound. This also explains why the German long I sound is more like the English long E sound. The letter is E. E. Yacht. Yacht. Like the word yacht in English, but instead of pronouncing it like a short A in the middle, you say it like a German short O. Yacht. Yacht. Ka. Ka. Like a person from Boston trying to say car. Ka. Ka. L. Exactly like it is in English. L. L. M. M. Exactly like it is in English. N. N. Exactly like it is in English. O. O. In English, we have a tendency to put a sound like a W at the end, but in German, it's just a straight O sound. It's O. O. Not O, where your mouth kind of curls up at the end, but just O. Pay. Pay. Like pay, but again without that Y sound at the end. Pay. Pay. Kuh. Kuh. This is also the German word for a cow. Think of the word cool and then chop off the letter L at the end. Kuh. Kuh. Er. Er. Think about the place where you wave your hands sometimes and sing Ayo. You know, I wave my hands up in the air sometimes. Yeah, something like that, except er. Er. Slightly different. You just barely pronounce the R on there. You could, if you really want to, add a little bit of that consonant R that I taught you in the second video in this series. Er. S. S. This is exactly the sound as it is in English. S. SZ. SZ. It's like a combination of the letters S and Z, which is why it's called an SZ. It's pronounced like the sharp S, which is that S sound, and is used to indicate that the vowel in front of it is a long vowel sound. SZ, SZ. Te, te. Like a nickname for someone named Taylor, Tay-Tay, but again without that Y sound at the end. Te-te, te, te. Ooh, ooh. Like you're standing in amazement of something. Ooh. But don't drag it out that long. Ooh, ooh. Foul, foul. As I mentioned in the consonant pronunciation video, the letter V in German is almost always pronounced as an F sound. This is the reason for the letter being named foul. Think of it as the word foul, but again, lose that L at the end and you just end up with foul, foul. Weh, weh. Like the expression oh weh, but again, don't have that Y sound at the end. Weh, weh. X, X. How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop? The X sound at the end of the word licks is exactly what you're looking for this letter. X is in fact just KS. X, X. Ypsilon, Ypsilon. When I mess up, I usually say oops. But if you modify the vowel sound in that and make it sound more like the German U umlaut, you end up with Yps. Yps. If I ever open a hair salon in Germany, I'm going to name it Y, because it's a salon that makes a lot of mistakes because I can't cut hair, so it would be the Yps salon. Ypsilon. Ypsilon. Z. Z. Start with the word that, then make it into a contraction, that's. Then add it to complete your sentence and say, that's it, that's it. Now change the I in it to a German E sound, et, that's et. Now remove the THA from that's and you end up with ts. And now you have zet, zet. That's et, zet, zet. In German, ö, and ü are referred to as die Umlaute. You can say these letters as a mit Umlaut, o mit Umlaut, and u mit Umlaut, but officially they are ö, and ü. You should only use the mit Umlaut options if you're trying to clarify what you said because someone misunderstood you. Ö, ü. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Wunderbar. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Das ist nett. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Wunderbar. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Das ist nett. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Wunderbar. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Das ist nett. And now for a fun little skit.
Herzlich willkommen bei Mastercard. Ich bin Fred. Darf ich nach Ihrem Namen fragen?
Ich heiße Levi Antrim.
Wie buchstabiert man das?
L-E-V-I.
Und Ihren Nachnamen?
A-N-T-R-I-M.
Woher kommen Sie?
Ich komme aus Edwardsville.
Wie buchstabiert man das?
E-D-W-A-R-D-S-V-I-L-L-E.
In welchem Land befindet sich Edwardsville?
Edwardsville liegt in Illinois in den Vereinigten Staaten von Amerika.
Wie buchstabiert man das?
I-L-L-I-N-O-I-S.
Nein, ich meine Vereinigte Staaten von Amerika.
Sie wissen nicht, wie man Vereinigte Staaten von Amerika buchstabiert.
Genau, deshalb frage ich.
Okay. V-E-R-E-I-N-I-G-T-E-S-T-A-A-T-E-N-V-O-N-A-M-E-R-I-K-A. Darf ich jetzt aufhören, alles zu buchstabieren? Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen zum 15. jährlichen Buchstabierwettbewerb. Heute fangen wir mit Leon an, der 10-jährige Junge aus Potsdam. Leon, bist du bereit? Ja. Okay, dein erstes Wort lautet Zebrastreifen. Zebrastreifen. Okay, Zebrastreifen. Z-E-B-R-A-S-T-R-E-I-F-E-N. Zebrastreifen. Gut gemacht. Dein nächstes Wort lautet Chinesisch. 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 C-H-I-N-E-S-I-S-C-H. Chinesisch. Noch einmal richtig. Nächstes Wort Joghurt. 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 J-O-G-H-U-R-T. Joghurt. Und das letzte Wort für heute: Rindfleisch-Etikettierungs-Überwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz. 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 PQUXY. Leider ist das falsch. Vielleicht klappt's beim nächsten Mal. Again, I'd like to give a shout out to my sponsor, Lingoda. They are a great resource for anyone wanting to learn German. You can take online German lessons with native speakers anytime you want. Make your lessons fit your schedule and start learning German with Lingoda today. There's a link in the description for that. In the next video, I'll introduce you to a bunch of vocabulary that asks the question, Was macht er? What is he doing? I'll introduce you to a few more verb forms that I haven't talked about yet, and also load you up with leisure time vocabulary. In the meantime, I'm done for today. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!